G'day, welcome back. So today we need to do some work on the Mondeo. Only problem is it's been raining, and as you know, can't get cars to the workshop when it's been raining. So we're going to do it up at the house. Just need to grab some tools and then we can get started. Alright, let's get a ratchet and some sockets. Probably some more sockets. Spanners, wrenches. Let's get some of those. A 10mm, 12mm. Or not. For extensions. I don't know. Just grab some stuff, eh? Can't have too many spanners, cutters, pliers, more pliers. Right, that should be enough tools. Let's head up to the garage and get started. Right, so there's got to be a better way than going through all that palaver, dragging tools from place to place, get them all mixed up, losing them. So there is a better way, and here it is. We've got a 198 piece toolkit from ToolPro, Supercheap Auto. Open it and have a look. Ooh. Right. Now this thing is a bit of a beast. It's huge. Weighs about 16.5 kilos. In this solid case, it's got buckles on the side and on the bottom. It's well built. It's nice. The other thing about the case, it's got this rubber seal. So when it's closed and you're in the rain, it doesn't get wet. And if you've ever lived in Auckland in spring or autumn, you know that's a real concern if you're working on the driveway. Sudden rain showers, everything gets wet. Seal this up, you don't have a problem. Same probably Northern Territories, Queensland, those wet parts of Australia that really suck when the rain just comes out of nowhere. But anyway, let's go over this. We'll go over this and we are going to go do some work on the car just so we can actually give it a proper test. So we'll start at the top, work down to the bottom, stick it on the car, we're away. So start off, we've got a 1/4 inch ratchet, got a 3/8, even got a 1/2 inch, all in one case. It's incredible. All these ToolPro, reasonably fine tooth, nice solid design. All these ToolPro tools, lifetime warranty. What more could you want really? Nice and solid, nice and decent. Should work out well. So 1/2, 3/8, 1/4. Everything in this kit clicks in really nicely. It's all pretty solid. We also got a driver, and one thing I haven't seen on these before, which this one's got, on the end you've got a 1/4 inch receptacle, so you can use this as an extension, an extra extension on that, just as a means to getting the job done. What a nice feature that. Spark plug sockets, you've got a 5/8 and a 13/16, usual rubber bits in there. Range of extensions, got 1/2 inch, 3/8 and a 1/4. Even got a breaker bar. What's that? Looks like a 12-inch breaker bar. Incredible. All in one kit. 1/2 inch swivel. Don't use them often, but when you need them, you need them. You got some cutters, linesman's pliers, needle nose pliers, all go in there nicely. Now these I really like. These are wheel nut impact sockets, but they're designed for kind of your mag wheels, your alloy wheels, so they've got this nice protective nylon coating, so you're not going to damage them. What's that all about? Got an insert in there, not sure what it does. It fell out. So yeah, you got 17, 18, 21, 22 in these, and they're colour coded, so I know that the blue one, the 17, is good for Volkswagen and Audi. 19, I think that's good for the Mondeo, so yeah, makes it nice and easy. Then we also got wrenches. Probably the only thing that lets this kit down is the selection of wrenches. This kit's metric and imperial. So in the metric side over here we got 8, 9, 10 and 12. If you work on Volkswagens and Audis, you also need a 13. In terms of imperial, you've got 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch and 9/16. So I suppose 1/2 inch is pretty much close to 13 mil. Not quite, but yeah, that's not ideal, but there's so much stuff in here, you got to kind of limit other stuff. Oh, we didn't go over these. We got some things you can't get out. You got some sockets for being driven. Again, metric and imperial, 4mm to 13 and 5/32 to 7/16. So yeah, that's that on its own. That covers lots of stuff. And then we come over to the main set of sockets. So you'll see we got shallow and deep, all in the same kit. Shallow we go from 4mm up to 32, that's a big size. Imperial we go from 5/32 to 1 1/4 inch. And we've also got the deep stuff. Deep, get one of them out. 11mm, well no, starts at 4mm, this is the 11mm. 4mm up to 19 in deep. So let's have a look here. Oh wow, we got more than I thought. So these deep ones are all 6-point. The shallows we got 4 to 19 in 6-point, and then we've got 10 to 32 in 12-point. Blimey, that's impressive. And probably a similar kind of setup on the imperial ones. I lost the socket there. Get out of it. Wow, that's that's better than I figured. Then you got 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter. We've got a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter, giving you more flexibility for whatever you need to flex with. We've got Torx T8 to T45. We've got Star and Hex, a variety of sizes. We've got Phillips and we got flathead. We've got a bit driver. We've got one of those drivers. We've got a set of imperial Allen keys all the way up to 3/8 of an inch. And we've got a set of metric Allen keys, 1.5mm up to 10mm. Nice big solid chrome finish. It's good. So yeah, that's, to have all of that in one kit is pretty impressive, really. This is the biggest of the 3 kits they make like this. So there's 2 smaller ones that just have fewer options, but go big or go home, I say. So we've got this one. As you can see, this, if you're a home mechanic or you do some work out and about, or you work in a couple of different places, I think this is going to be a pretty awesome kit. So let's close it up. And head up to the garage. Right, so our first job is to get the under tray off, and so we'll take our 1/4 inch terminal socket. I'll rip that off. There we go. Works as it should. Nice feel to it. Decent weight. Nice ratchet. Good quality tool. Right, for a drain plug, we're going to go 21. So that's going to be 1/2 inch. Also grab the extension just to make it easier. Give me some clearance. Right, maybe we don't need the extension, but 21. Look at that. Right, so we need a special socket to undo the oil filter on this car, but we're still going to use the 3/8 ratchet from the kit. So we've got our foundation of tools, but we still need some special bits from time to time, so that's what we got. That's it. Slippy when it's oily. So yeah, it's not a bad ratchet. Could be a slightly finer tooth, would make it better, but pretty decent. Does the job. Let's get our drain bolt back in. Alright, let's see how our fancy alloy wheel impact sockets work. Stick it on our included breaker bar. Nice fit. What do you want? Works. Yep, so they're good sockets. Of course, don't have a torque wrench in this kit, so I have to break one out. Sadly it's not a ToolPro one. I do have a ToolPro 3/8 inch one. These are 140 Newton meters. Yep, socket's a good length, fits quite well. See, the white bit's going to get pretty filthy pretty soon, but still got the nice colour coded end. Should work well. Right, now all we have to do is put our tools away and we're done. Try not to throw them away. Job done, and you know everything's there because there's no holes left. Shut it up. Don't shut it up like that, you might lose a few sockets, but yeah, shut it up. And we're done. Right, let's wrap this up. So the ToolPro 198 piece automotive toolkit. Fantastic range of tools in there, covers 99% of what you're going to need for working on a car. Obviously it doesn't have torque wrenches or some kind of other specialist stuff, but as a general toolkit, fantastic. Huge range, great quality, really like it. You're going to see it in a lot of upcoming videos. In terms of negative points, for me, I can't remember last time I used an Imperial socket on anything, so if it was purely metric, that would suit me fine. And also the range of spanners to only go up to 12mm, a little bit limiting. Oh, thanks Charlie, thanks for the car keys. Brought me some car keys. So it'd be nice to see a bigger range of spanners in there, at least a 13mm, probably the most common you're going to use on a Volkswagen or an Audi. But yeah, apart from that, it's a great kit. So comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one. Cheers. Of the kit, it's a great foundation for all your tools. It's a great... Charlie, come here buddy. Come on man.